Hello po.
Yung nasa short mo siya. Latest na
Kuya Mineral.
Sorry, hindi na kaya. Pabili po. Ano pa ba? Mani kasi sa'yo mani.
Nandito na kami, guys. Yes. Lagoy, kuya! Ang cute naman ni kuya. Ilang taong ka na, kuya? 19! Makukulong ako!
20 pa lang ako. Picture muna tayo dyan. Bumirang din tayo. Oo.
Thank you!
Hindi na bumirang kami.
Yes, kumuha na tayo ng drink ngayon. Kuha tayo ng... Ngayon lang yung pagpipilian, guys. A, B, or C. Okay na po, time's up! Diba yung pinunod na lang namin? Yes! Thank you so much for wishing!
Thank you po.
Alright, nandito yung mga mascots din natin. Of course, we have two president over. First, I think, sabi mo nga, Alex, nasubukan mo na si Snack Shack. Pero dahil nga ikaw ang record holder, hindi na kami na uwi. Ikaw ulit ang magsisimula nito. Alright, lead the way, Alex. Okay, hello everyone. Sali lang po kayo dito sa Snack Spectacular by Owishi 2019. For free po ang event namin. Pwede po kayong umikot dito, experience.
So guys, ito lahat nakuha ko.
Party!
Sobrang dami, 98 daw, 98 pieces daw.
Young adults natin.
Guys, grabe si Cedric, career na career. Dalawang malaki. Besh, ang dami! Dalawa!
Video.
God! Grabe, Sed. Magkasari-sari store ka ba, Sed?
Dalawang snack ninyo. Alright, Jericho! Alright, this is it. Palakpakan naman po natin si Jericho! Okay, labihan mo yan, Jericho. Bilisan mo natin.
So, ayun guys. Kami po ay kakain na muna. And, hello, Carl! Hello, guys! Hi! So, ayun. Kakain na kami. Gutom na kami.
True, pero bago ang lahat.
Vlog! Ang ganda ng lugar, besh. Vintage. Oh.
Dito pala sa Maynila.
Yeah. Parang field trip. Saan? Dito ko? Yan, dito.
Ikaw yung ilaw ng tahanan.
Tinatawag ko kayong lahat. Order lang. Oy guys, order lang kayo. Babayaran nila yan. Babayaran ni Nicole yan. Order lang.
So for today's video, what is up to you? It's your boy Kobe and welcome back to another Strong vlog. We made it here at the 25 seats and we're
Mamaya lang din naman.
so later we're going to La Union.
Vlog takeover.
So I'm with other vloggers. Excited mo kayo?
Hello! For today's lecture, we're gonna study what's inside this salad. So as you can see, they're green and leafy. So this is called the
Dama-dama lang. Halamang dagat.
halamang dagat. Okay, so in the halamang dagat, there's also watermelon and tomatoes and also red egg. You know, because it's red. and then salty egg. Salted egg. And then we also have English nito, onion. And then after that, and you also have yellow flower. That's very important.
Pwede naman sunflower, di ba?
Yeah, you can also have other flowers like rose, daffodils. if you don't know that flower, I don't know as well. But yeah, anyway, you put this like that. You see? And then you mix like this. So it's better if you have a big spatula. Okay, so you see, this is the red egg. Gitnog na pula. So you mix everything. And then you eat it. I will smell it for you. It smells so good. Now you're ready to eat it. See you on my next video.
Hi guys, kamusta naman kayo dyan?
We are Team Trinoma.
Yan.
Wala na maupuan.
Mami. Yan.